Hello friends, my name is Anil Singhania and you are watching my YouTube channel Easy Software. Friends, in this video I am just going to teach you how you can create a Django project in Pycharm and how you can run it on server. And in this video I am just going to show you live how you can create and run Django project in Pycharm. So let's start. Friends, before starting this video, I would like to tell you, if you don't know what is Django, characteristic of Django, advantages of Django, disadvantages of Django, then please visit my website. I have already made a complete post on this Django framework, like definition, characteristic, features, advantages and disadvantages of Django, and the link of that post is given in the description area. So you can visit the link of that post and you can get the complete knowledge. You can say that theoretical knowledge of the Django. Now the first step is to download Pycharm. So open any browser and here type Pycharm download and press enter, and now just click on the first link, and here it is the official website for downloading Pycharm. Here just one thing I want to say, please download this professional version. If you want to create a Django project in Pycharm, then you have to click on this blue download button. When you click on this button, you will get an exe of this Pycharm. So I have already downloaded it, and it's very simple to install this software into your system. So you can download from this site and you can install it into your system. So I have already downloaded it and installed into my system. So just now I'm just going to do the further step. So open Pycharm. It will take some time to load into our system, so just wait, it's loading. Okay, it's loaded. Now it's time to create a Django project in Pycharm. So click on file and here new project. Here you have to select here Django. Okay, and by clicking on this icon you can select the directory in which you want to create your Django project. In my case it is H drive, so I will select H and here. Okay, after the directory name you have to type a name for your project. So I am typing website in Django. Now it's fine, but it's not compulsory for you. You can type any name for your project and you can select any drive to create your project into your system. Now it's done. Here click on create. Okay, and here this window. Now it will take some time to create this project into our system, so just wait. Now it's done. Now you can see that a project with name website in Django is created successfully into our system. Now the next step is to install Django library into your system if it is not present in your system. So click on file and here setting, and here you have to search here project. So I will write project and here click project interpreter. But here as you can see that Django is already installed into our system, so just left this step. Okay, but in your case if Django is not installed, then you can click here this plus button and here you have to search Django and just click this button install package, and after some second you will get a message like package Django installed successfully. Okay, it's done. Now it's time to run this project. First I am just going to open this folder and here website in Django. Okay, and here I will open manage.py. Now I am just going to tell you how you can run this project, because we have already created project into our system. So I am going to tell you two methods how you can run this project. Actually there are many ways to run Django project. We can say that there are many ways to run a Django project in Pycharm. So let's open terminal and here you have to type python manage.py and last run server. This is the first method. So press enter after typing this command, and here you will get an URL, or you can see that an IP address like URL, and just click on this and you will see a magic like Django is running, and you will get a message like the install worked successfully, congratulations. So this is the first method you can run. Now I'm just going to tell you the second method. So press Ctrl Alt and R simultaneously, and it will take some time to open this console window, and here you have to type run server and press enter, and just wait, and this is the second method. You can run Django project in Pycharm. Okay, now it's working fine. So now I'm just going to tell you how you can customize this home screen. So I will close this window, actually browser, and here right click on project name, and here new and Python file. Here I'm going to create a Python file with name fuse and press enter, and here you have to write from Django.http import HTTP response. Okay, and I'm just going to define a function with name home. Here I will type a parameter request. Okay, and the last line is return HTTP response, and here just I am going to write a very simple HTML code like heading h1, and here I will close this, and just here I will pass a message like this is my first page in Django. Here you can write any message that you want. Actually this is a string of HTML. Now I'm just going to customize it. So here the function name is home, and now I will open URL, and here all you have to do is from dot import views. Okay, and here path just leave it, and here just write views dot home. Just okay, now it's fine. Okay, actually I have missed a comma after this path. Okay, now it's time to run this file. So click on terminal, and here press enter, and now it's fine. So just click on it, and it's working fine. So I hope you can run your Django project in Pycharm in a very simple way. If you have any doubt or you have any problem regarding this video, then please let me know by comment. I will fix it for you definitely. Guys, I have created a website for you where you can learn C, C++, Java, .NET, PHP, Android, and many more languages free. So please visit my website, and also you can get a lot of project with source code. Now I'm just going to open my website. So here I will open browser, and here crazyprogrammer.com, and it will take some time to load my website. And here you can see that this is my new website. Here you can get many project related tutorials, many project with source code, and you can see that everything. If you are a CSS student, then you can get everything like program, tutorial, projects, source code, and many things. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and if you like my video, then please share it to your friends.